In the twilight of June 2025, a wheat field in southern England erupted into the epicenter of a global enigma, unveiling a phenomenon so profound it has sent shockwaves through scientific communities and ignited fervent speculation worldwide. A colossal crop circle, spanning over 800 meters, has emerged with a complexity that defies comprehension. Its intricate spirals, fractal loops, and repeating geometric bands weaving a tapestry of mathematical precision that screams intention. This is no mere art or hoax. It's a staggering anomaly that pulses with the promise of secrets encoded in the very fabric of the Earth. The world stands transfixed, grappling with questions that cut to the core of existence. What is this message? Who or what crafted it? And why now, in this precise moment, does it demand our attention? The discovery first came to light when a local drone operator soaring above the golden fields captured footage of a design so vast and intricate it seemed to hum with otherworldly intent. Unlike any crop circle before it, this formation boasts concentric rings, aligned with exact mathematical ratios, rectangular cutouts resembling binary code, and fractal patterns that cascade across multiple scales with breathtaking precision. High-resolution aerial photography reveals edges so crisp they could have been etched by a cosmic laser, and the geometry, far beyond the clumsy attempts of human pranksters, hints at a purpose that transcends our understanding. The design's nested spirals and interconnected loops form a mandala-like structure, but one infused with properties that mirror the enigmatic dance of quantum entanglement, where paired particles maintain opposite states across vast distances. This isn't just a pattern in a field, it's an information system, a potential quantum blueprint etched into the soil, daring us to decode its meaning. What sets this crop circle apart is its mathematical sophistication, a symphony of numbers that resonates with the universe's deepest truths. Researchers armed with Fourier transforms and fractal modeling have uncovered frequency peaks in the concentric rings, confirming their spacing is no random noise, but a deliberate harmonic structure. When the pattern is rendered as a binary map, flattened crops as zeros, standing crops as ones, a hidden grid emerges, resembling a giant QR code woven into the wheat. Yet, no scanner can crack its code, leaving scientists baffled. More astonishingly, certain segments of the design mimic the logic of quantum entanglement, with paired sections encoding bits that always oppose each other, as if the field itself were a physical manifestation of quantum spin pairs. The implications are staggering. This crop circle may not just be a visual spectacle, but a functional system, potentially interacting with energies or signals we've yet to comprehend. The mystery deepens with the soil beneath the pattern, which defies the laws of classical physics in ways that have left experts reeling. Laboratory analysis reveals magnetically active anomalies that persist even under Faraday shielding, behaving as if the soil retains quantum coherence, a phenomenon impossible for ordinary materials. Under supercooled conditions, these samples exhibit low-temperature coherence retention, mirroring properties seen in quantum memory substrates used in cutting-edge computing labs. The crops themselves tell an equally astonishing story. Rather than being crushed or burned, as in typical hoaxes, they are node-bent from the inside, suggesting a controlled application of microwave or vibrational energy at the cellular level. It's as if each plant was gently instructed to bow, a feat that defies conventional explanation. and points to a technology or intelligence far beyond our own. Quantum radar tests conducted over the site have only intensified the enigma. Low-frequency resonance scans reveal interference patterns with unnatural coherence, behaving as if the field were a topological insulator for light, a rare quantum material that conducts energy only on its surface while remaining inert within. Such materials, painstakingly crafted in laboratories for next-generation quantum computing, have no business existing in a wheat field, yet when specific frequencies are beamed at the formation, the signals return with quantum-like properties, suggesting the pattern might function as an analog quantum device, responding to inputs in ways that challenge the very foundations of physics. Could this be more than a visual message? Is it a structure designed to interact with energies we can't yet perceive? A beacon pulsing with purpose in the English countryside? The human mind, too, seems to resonate with this unearthly design. Neuroscientists studying high-resolution images of the crop circle have uncovered a phenomenon as unsettling as it is profound. Over 60% of viewers experience synchronized spikes in gamma brainwaves, the same frequencies linked to deep cognition, lucid dreaming, and heightened awareness. The pattern appears to trigger something primal, as if it were engineered to interface with human perception at a fundamental level. Cultural anthropologists have noted its alignment with sacred geometry, golden ratios, Fibonacci sequences, and harmonic constants found in ancient civilizations across the globe. This suggests a universal visual language, one that bridges mathematics, quantum information, and the human psyche, crafted to communicate on multiple levels simultaneously. The question looms, is this pattern speaking to our minds as much as it is to our instruments? The physical evidence pushes the boundaries of belief even further. The crop circle's layout, when overlaid with models of topological quantum computing, reveals a chilling parallel. It mirrors braid patterns used to protect quantum information from decoherence, a cutting-edge technique still in its infancy. The nested loops and self-similar structures resemble fractal codes used in data compression, while the alignment of bits suggests intentional encoding, as if the field were a macroscopic quantum circuit. This isn't just a design, it could be a computational substrate using the Earth itself to process information in ways we've only theorized. The implications are dizzying. What if this formation is not a message, but a machine? A quantum processor sprawled across a field, humming with calculations that transcend our understanding. Archaeoastronomers have added another layer to the mystery, uncovering connections that stretch across millennia. The crop circle's coordinates and geometry align precisely with ancient megalithic sites like Göbekli Tepe and Nan Madol, structures known for encoding stellar alignments and astronomical knowledge dating back 12,000 years. Key points in the formation correspond to star positions as they appeared in the ancient skies, suggesting a continuity of purpose that spans human history. This isn't mere coincidence, it's intention, a cosmic coordinate system that echoes the wisdom of our ancestors while pointing to technologies we're only beginning to grasp. Could this be a reactivation of an ancient global network, one that uses the Earth as a canvas for communication across time and space? As the world grapples with these revelations, three theories have emerged to explain the origin of this phenomenon, each more provocative than the last. The first posits a post-quantum technology test, suggesting the crop circle could be a field experiment for satellite-based quantum communication systems. Modern cybersecurity increasingly relies on quantum key distribution via satellites, and this formation might serve as a passive reflector or antenna for such trials. The second theory ventures into the realm of autonomous AI, proposing that a deep learning system trained on geometry and encryption could have designed and executed this pattern through means unknown. As AI grows more sophisticated, its outputs may transcend human comprehension, creating structures that defy our logic. The third and most controversial theory dares to suggest a non-human intelligence using the Earth as a canvas for an interspecies Rosetta Stone. The pattern's quantum-like properties and universal mathematical language could be an attempt to communicate across vast divides, speaking in the only tongue that binds all intelligence, mathematics. The plot thickens with a discovery that rewrites the narrative entirely. Cryptographers, poring over the outer ring of the crop circle, have uncovered a 256-bit elliptic curve quantum tag, a digital signature mirroring post-quantum blockchain encryption formats proposed by MIT researchers in 2023. When decoded, this tag revealed a timestamp pointing to a Soviet weather balloon surveillance mission from 1982, which captured aerial photographs of a barley field bearing a partially formed pattern eerily similar to the one we see today. The match is 94% identical, suggesting a message or structure evolving across 4 decades. Yet, quantum computing as we know it didn't exist in 1982, and the mathematical concepts behind such encryption were decades away. This temporal paradox raises chilling questions. Is this evidence of a long-term communication attempt predating our understanding of quantum science, or does it hint at something that transcends time itself? Just as scientists began to process these findings, a new anomaly emerged, detected by a classified satellite near the Nazca Lines in Peru, a mere 12 hours after the English crop circle was documented. This new formation, bearing similar thermal and electromagnetic signatures, complements the English design with a distinct geometric pattern. The Nazca Lines, ancient geoglyphs etched into the desert, have long puzzled archaeologists with their astronomical precision. Now, a new pattern forming nearby suggests a connection across continents and epochs, as if the Earth itself were awakening as a distributed quantum network. Could these sites be nodes in a planetary chain of quantum beacons, processing information in ways we're only beginning to fathom? The alignment with ancient sites and the emergence of complementary patterns hint at a system designed to operate on a global scale, bridging past and future in a cosmic dialogue. The implications of this discovery are nothing short of revolutionary. Quantum physicists propose that the crop circle may not be a message, but a functional quantum processor, its layout mimicking the braid theory used in topological quantum computing. The nested loops and fractal codes suggest a system for manipulating quantum information, while the soil's electromagnetic anomalies and the crop's cellular manipulation point to a physical interface between quantum and classical realms. This could be the first known analog quantum device, using the Earth as a substrate for computation. The Peru anomaly only amplifies this possibility, suggesting a network of such interfaces, each resonating with the others, to form a global system. What happens when these nodes connect? Are we witnessing the activation of an ancient technology, one that harnesses the planet itself to process information in ways we can scarcely imagine? The crop circle's impact extends beyond science. touching the very essence of human experience. Its alignment with sacred geometry and its effect on brainwaves suggest a design that speaks to both our minds and our instruments, a universal language that transcends culture and time. The soil's quantum anomalies and the crop's precise manipulation point to a technology or intelligence that operates at the edge of our understanding, challenging us to rethink our place in the cosmos. The connection to ancient sites and the timestamp from 1982 hint at a message or system that has been unfolding for decades, perhaps millennia, waiting for us to catch up. Each revelation peels back a layer of mystery, revealing a truth that is both exhilarating and terrifying. We may be standing on the threshold of a new era, one where the boundaries between quantum and classical, past and future, human and cosmic, dissolve into a single, awe-inspiring pattern. As researchers continue to probe this phenomenon, the world watches with bated breath, caught between wonder and unease. The crop circle is more than a design. It's a challenge, a puzzle that demands we expand our minds and question our assumptions. Is it a test of our technological prowess, a message from an intelligence beyond our ken, or a computational substrate woven into the earth? The answers lie not just in the patterns, but in the questions they provoke. Who built this? Why now? And what does it mean for humanity's future? The Peru anomaly suggests this is no isolated event, but part of a larger, perhaps global phenomenon. Are we witnessing the dawn of a new form of communication, computation, or connection, one that uses the planet as its canvas? The truth, as always, hides in the patterns, waiting for us to see.